Are you looking for faucet extenders for children? Are you confused for the best extender? We are back to solve your problem. Best faucet extender for children. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic for parents, the best faucet extenders for children. If you want to make hand washing fun and accessible for your little ones, stick around. So let's get started. When choosing a faucet extender for children, look for the following options. Munchkin Splash Faucet Extender. Designed specifically for kids, it's easy to install and features a fun design. Easy Faucet Extender. This model offers a simple installation and a kid-friendly design, allowing little ones to reach the water easily. Boon Kogo Faucet Extender. Known for its playful design, it also helps direct the water flow for easier access. Kinovo Faucet Extender. A versatile option that fits most faucets and has a sleek design. When selecting one, ensure it's compatible with your faucet and easy to clean. Here's a deeper look at some of the best faucet extenders for children, along with additional considerations. Munchkin Splash Faucet Extender. Features: made from durable materials, this extender is designed to fit most standard faucets. It has a fun, colorful design that appeals to kids. Pros: easy installation and removal, and it helps prevent splashing while directing water flow. Easy Faucet Extender. Features: this extender offers a simple, universal fit for most faucets. Its ergonomic design makes it easy for kids to use. Pros: it's lightweight and portable, making it a good choice for travel or temporary use. Boon Kogo Faucet Extender. Features: with a whimsical design, this extender not only makes it easier for kids to reach the water but also encourages them to wash their hands. Pros: the unique shape helps to control water flow and reduce mess. Kinovo Faucet Extender. Features: this model is adjustable, making it compatible with a wide range of faucet shapes and sizes. It has a minimalist design that blends well with modern bathrooms. Pros: easy to clean and maintain, plus it's sturdy and durable. Additional considerations. Material: look for BPA-free and non-toxic materials for safety. Ease of use: choose a model that allows kids to operate it easily, fostering independence. Installation tips. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Ensure a snug fit to prevent leaks. Test the water flow after installation to make sure it directs water appropriately. These extenders can make hand washing fun and accessible for children, promoting good hygiene habits. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.